Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus Wallet with a debit card. We'll walk through the entire process, from setting up your wallet to completing your first purchase. You'll learn about the easy-to-use interface, how to select Bitcoin, and what to expect when using a debit card. This guide aims to make your crypto buying experience smooth and straightforward, ensuring you feel confident with each step. First, you'll need to download and set up your Exodus wallet. It's available for desktop and mobile devices. Once installed, create your wallet and, most importantly, securely record your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for restoring your funds if you ever lose access to your device. Exodus prioritizes security, keeping your private keys on your device for full control over your assets. Now, let's buy some Bitcoin. In your Exodus wallet, tap or click the buy and sell icon. Select Bitcoin and enter the amount you wish to spend. You'll then choose debit card as your payment method. Exodus partners with third-party providers like MoonPay or Ramp to facilitate these purchases. You'll be redirected to their platform to complete the transaction, including identity verification for first-time users. After confirming your order details and completing any necessary identity verification with the third-party provider, your Bitcoin should arrive in your Exodus wallet, typically within 5 to 20 minutes. Remember that fees, which can range from 2% to 10%, are often included in the total amount shown. Always double-check your transaction details and continue to practice good security habits, like safeguarding your recovery phrase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.